Ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing this evening? It is 10:50 p.m., April 3rd. And I'm talking to you about this storm that is literally lighting up the middle of America right now. We're looking at fast approaching 13,000 lightning strikes in the last 2 hours. And this thing is going to be extending up and out. So, just moments ago, San Antonio got some pretty nasty hail. It's true. I mean, this thing is a monster. It's big. It's impressive. It's active. It's been bringing out a lot of tornadoes, a lot of nasty hail, flooding. And she's not done. She is a slow mover, though technically the Weather Channel named him Wilbur, which is a weird name. I mean, who's going to name anything Wilbur? And so, this thing is dangerous. And if you look how it's whipped cream can glowing backwards, and look at the differentiation in the clouds and the thickness and how it's pressing up against the atmosphere. That is wild. So, if you are in the path of the storm, you may not be getting a lot of sleep tonight because it has been dropping a lot of rain. I think a part of, was it Illinois? It got over a foot of rain today. And usually about midnight is when they really take off, from like midnight to 3 a.m. And so, as I said, this storm is impressive. It almost looks like one of those deep sea, deep ocean, bioluminescent creatures, in my mind. I mean, on the map. Look how it's like a giant T-storm for me. Or Taylor Swift. I don't know. You can pick your own T-person if you want. Or you can even say it looks like a P. Although it doesn't really look like a P. But no, this is dangerous. Dropping a lot of snow up here. We're getting some liquid mix. Sleet, crappiness. Somewhere where Canada and the United States meet each other. And then, here we've been getting the tornado warnings, power outages. I believe 70-mile-per-hour straight winds were reported. And for people out there who love radar anomalies, here's a cool one I found a little while ago. Look at that. Beep. Boop. It's right over some weird lake place. Look. Go in like Google detectives. Encyclopedia Brown, but different. Okay. It's right over that little lake thing. Okay. That was interesting. Sorry. Sidebar. Conspiracy sidebar on THORNEWS. So yeah, this thing is going to be a slow mover. So it won't even move off the coast. I mean, technically it won't move off the coast for a while. What? Watch, we'll kick to the future. Because we have technology and we can do that. And we'll let it play. I'm acting like a goofball. I tried to explain earlier. A, Mercury's retrograde. B, things have been weird. We had a full moon. Jupiter's retrograde. And I'm having to deal with the energy, man. See, like right there, it looks like one of those bioluminescent deep sea creatures. So, it doesn't even... Yeah, I was going to make a point. The point is, look how... I mean, that is impressive. It's from, like, Texas. And this is 2 in the morning. All the way up to Nova Scotia into Iowa. I mean, that is a wild hammer T storm. And these squall lines are vicious. I mean, the purple, let's kick back to the past. Oh, wait. Is it working yet or no? Is it working? Can you hear me? Sweet. So look, we're going to step forward into the future. The slow-moving storm won't clear out. Look at that. Until about 3 or 4 o'clock tomorrow. And then it still kind of grows back in. So, this is a wild storm adventure. And we're here together. You and I. Still looking at our Easter basket of severe weather colors. So you can see that whole hammerhead. I don't know what's causing all that. See, Winty has it moving out. Is it European? It says it leaving at about European has it leaving about 8 p.m. tomorrow. So it's almost like 20 more hours of rain and storminess. And this may go slow, but like I said, this was kind of an impromptu thing. I'm going to put in river flooding levels because it's one of my favorite things to do. It's sarcasm. Nobody likes sarcasm, really. Unless it's like really good old school Friends Chandler sarcasm. Then everybody loves it. At this moment, holy shit. We have 172 rivers flooding. With a 160 river gauges near flooding. So that's like, what? 330 something, 32 rivers either near flooding or at flooding stage. As the storm moves slow. And that is a pretty nasty confluence of flooding rivers from Illinois, whatever state that is, I can't see right now. Ohio, Indiana probably. Wow, Indiana's in deep shit, man. Oh, geez. Holy crap. I'm sorry. Okay, and so there's the Great Lakes, and the Great Lakes are feeding into the rivers. That looks like a giant problem right now. All right, so my tone has become less jovial. All the way down into Houston. Interesting. Okay, well, I'll keep you guys updated. Like I said, this nasty storm is going to keep rolling for at least another 12 hours. And that looks bad. Where is it right now? Let's go back to the past, which is now. I know it's confusing. See, like, at least it's kind of moved over that main area, but it is now slowly going to track that way. So let's go in the past, shall we? Hit the button, baby. I said to myself. So is that 10? So in like 2 hours, it has gone from here to it hasn't moved a whole lot. And this area is going to get hit really bad. It's getting hit really bad right now. And those almost look like, the purple looks like claws. You see that? So, these people are getting hit hard. Nashville, it's already gone through Nashville. So now it's going through like Murfreesboro, Cooksville, Shelby, Tullahoma. Weird. Alright, so yeah, if you're in the line of this, especially like Knoxville and Atlanta, how bad will Atlanta, you got a storm coming, Atlanta. So I'd stay up for this one until she starts to wind down. Because this storm is pretty dang nasty and intense. I'll be here. It might even extend back into Houston. See, look, this is right now. And yeah, like I'm about here. So the really nasty area is to the west of me. Maybe it'll grow. He's watching me play. It's a weird moving storm. Oh yeah, so it might roll over Houston in about an hour. All right. Everybody be cool, stay cool. I'll try and get some video. Peace out.